The next step in designing a mold for this part is to create the parting surfaces. These surfaces extend away from the plastic part and are used to create a contact surface between the core and cavity mold blocks. You will find the parting surface feature on the Molds toolbar. The Parting Surface Property Manager prompts you to select a method of defining the surface. The options are tangent to surface, normal to surface, and perpendicular to pole. In this case, as in most instances, I will be using perpendicular to pole. The parting line created in a previous lesson is already selected. I will specify the surface distance as 1/2 inch and select the smooth option with the distance set to 0.25. This will generate a parting surface that is easier to manufacture and will lead to molds that wear less quickly than those with sharp corners. At the bottom, I'll leave the Knit All Surfaces option selected to automatically combine the parting surfaces into a single surface. I'll click OK and the parting surface is created.